Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the Microsoft project plan, that how we can use the software. Right now we have opened the start screen of Microsoft project so that we can easily create the projects and how we can use it, this software. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, basically right now we have opened the start screen of Microsoft project. Today we shall discuss that how we can use the help option in the Microsoft project. Friend, if you go here, it is the option of help in the Microsoft project. This is the option of help. You can click on this option, or you can use the F1 key to get the help. To get the help in Microsoft project, there are two ways, like you can get the online help or you can get the offline help. Online help means that if you get the online help, it will transfer it to you on the office.com website of Microsoft, and there you can get like hundreds of videos content will be available through which you can get the required knowledge or information. Okay, so that is called the online help in the on the office.com. For online help, obviously it is necessary that you should be connected with the internet. The other way is the offline help. Offline help means that it will not go on the office.com website on a separate browser. It will search it on your local machine, or like the available files of Microsoft project, which will be available during the installation of Microsoft project. So right now if I click here, for example, it will open in a browser, like it will go on the it will goes on the office.com. If you are connected or to office.com, you can get the help, or you can get the help like that. Like for example, getting started with the project, I can check different article what's new in 2010. So in that way, basically friend, you can get different articles, different types of help content from there. So this is a very easy way. So here right now we are getting the help from the external help. Okay, now we have discussed that how we can get the help from the start screen. If you want to get the help internally, so you have to create a project. For example, this is the blank project template. Click on that. Okay, so here you can see the like Microsoft project interface has been opened. Now you can get the help from here as well. Similarly, you can use the F1 key to get the help, or click on here to get the help. So if you are already connected to office.com, so you can get the help from the office.com, or you can just click here like that and you can get the help from there as well. So this is the way. Like for example, there are so many options are available: getting started with project, printing your project, file management, accessibility, working in a different language, activating a project. So setting up a project and a schedule. For example, you can creating a new project. So friend, there are so many options are available, and content is available through which you can get the required help. Here remember friend, one thing, that if you want to get the online help, you should have the online connection. Internet connection should be available. Or if you are like a person who is offline and you want to get the offline help, so offline help is also available, which is available in the software. So there are two ways to get the help: online help and the offline help. Two types of help are available, and F1 key is the short key to get the help, and this is the icon or to get the required help in the Microsoft project. Remember friend, that it's very easy to get the help in the Microsoft project, and thousands of content, blogs, videos, articles are available through which you can get the required help in a very easy way. So there is no issue to get the required help in the Microsoft project. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.